On to pre-order. Pre-orders are a powerful tool for any Shopify store because it lets you increase sales, forecast demand by meeting it, generate excitement, and drive growth. Notify Me lets you add a pre-order button to any product currently not in stock. Let's say I've got this product which is out of stock and is ready to be sold even when out of stock. I'm going to head over to my pre-order part of the app from the left navigation and choose which products I want to enable it for. Now customers can see this product with the button, and once I order this product, it will show up on my report section of pre-order. Now, on to the details. To activate pre-order functionality, please note that Notify Me is only available for Shopify payments and PayPal. To start, I will go over here to Pre-order tab and click on Setting. Choose whether I want to enable pre-order for all products or exclude some. To make sure pre-order works, you need to have this option marked on your inventory for products to have continue selling when out of stock. For this product, I have Shopify payment and I have the continue selling turned on. And now you can see the button shows up with ease.